The Women Asha novel A Tale of Courage.
I searched on YouTube and made a surprising discovery. Audiobook keywords have such high video views. On the surface, it feels like a topic that many people don't pay much attention to. The video of this audiobook has 2 million views. This video has 1 million views. The number of plays of these audiobooks. The fundamental reason for such a huge number of views is that reading will consume too much of their time. You can do other things while listening to books. In fact, this video is extremely simple. This video has 2 million views. In addition to earning advertising revenue through YouTube videos, you can also promote Amazon's ebooks. He added in the description, Amazon affiliate ebook promotion link. Only $5 per order doesn't sound like a lot of money, but the video has been viewed by 2 million people. Can make simple estimates. Only 1% of the 2.7 million viewers. Open the link just now in the description column. Only 1% of people follow his link at the same time. Subscription successful. So each subscription is only $5. Then this video will bring you $1,300 in affiliate commissions. The estimate just now was very low. Very conservative estimate. Just make money from Amazon affiliate of a video. What if there are 10 videos? Income will increase 10 times. And don't forget, this video has 2 million views. So it still has advertising revenue on YouTube. If 1,000 views, a conservative estimate is $5. In other words, this video can earn more than $13,500 in addition to the more than $1,300 just now. That is, you can earn money from just one video, nearly $15,000 in revenue. If you don't know how to make ebooks, you can also watch videos on YouTube, creation of long or short videos, attract huge traffic to promote Amazon Alliance, earn a steady stream of passive income. If you are interested in today's topic, then you can't miss the video content shared today. You first go to my channel homepage to find the AI Toolbox URL. Go to Toolbox. Find Affiliate Marketing, Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Click to enter the website. Of course, you need to register an account first. You see a registration in the upper right corner. There is a Create Account below. You click to create an account. Fill in your name, email, password. Fill in the password to create your account. After the account is created, just create a video. There are no ebooks. If you need to create an ebook, it takes too much time. How to use ebooks without owning them. Turn Amazon affiliate commissions. Can be found on Amazon. Amazon's best-selling ebooks. These ebooks can be promoted. That is to say, when you promote, you only need to put link to this best-selling book. Just put the link above in the video. Earn commission. This link must be after registering for the Alliance. He will give it to you. You just copy this link, put it in his description column to sell it. Subscribe to watch with a 30-day free trial. He guides like this. This will allow him to earn $5 per order. Just this book. The best-selling book comes as an example. Just copy and paste. That is to copy the contents of this book. In the Chat GPT input box, enter this topic. Continue with the content of the introduction to the book just now. Copy it as well. Then enter the entire content into Chat GPT dialog box. And I added a sentence after him. Just please help me get this ebook. Write a review of 3,000 words. Send to Chat GPT. And he also gave an attractive title. You can make a review video through this content. You can make it into a short video or a long video. Just copy its contents. Found an AI Toolbox. This is a text-to-speech tool. Choose a second website. Tools that convert text to speech. Then click to login. You can log in with your Google account. Click the Create button in the upper right corner. Then select the first option. Just paste the content you just entered. Can be seen. He has pasted all these contents in, and delete the useless content in front of it. To choose a pronunciation template, click to see that there are many pronunciation templates here. The website provides many pronunciation templates. There are AI pronunciations for both men and women. and his pronunciation is very real and excellent. You can come and listen to it.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week.
All right, so teaching subtraction to a kid, can actually be like pretty.
Once upon a time,
After
in a
listening
magical
to it
forest,
just now,
there
I felt it was hard to tell whether it was a real person or an AI pronunciation. Because this book is about a woman, I chose a female pronunciation. Check here to use all. In the whole pronunciation process, you see he has applied it all. Need to generate these voices. You see, click on the upper right corner to generate all. Need to wait for it to generate these voices. Here you can see that the voice bar below has been generated. Then just export. You can see there is an export button in the upper right corner. Select export in the upper right corner. Choose to splice and export segmented audio. The voice file has been prepared. Still need a cover? Save this cover image via. Click to open this cover image. Then right-click to save the image. Found in the AI toolbox. This is the AI editing tool Wondershare. Click to open. Go to this website, download and install the software for free on this website. Of course, this is the English version. If you want other version, can be pulled to the bottom. You can see that there are versions in many languages from other countries. You can choose according to your own needs. After the software is installed and run, I want to make a long video. If you want to make a short video, you can. I choose 16:9 ratio. Choose to make a long video, because my video is about 3 minutes long, and then create. I just downloaded this picture of mine. The pronunciation is also imported. Press the Ctrl key to zoom the track. Drag this picture to be the same length as the voice. I want to set this image up, because I want this picture. There should be a classical flavor in it. I click on this picture. There is a picture coloring in the upper right corner. Made a classical picture. And when reading aloud, if there is no activity, I don't think it's very good. Now I've added a special effect here. That is, I found the special effects in the selection bar above. Enter the search keyword audio. You can see these audio dynamics. You can download whatever you like. You can adjust a few audio dynamics to try it out. I downloaded several audios. You can add one to take a look. Its effect. What does this audio dynamic look like? It won't look so boring this way. When he beats according to the rhythm of the music. Do you think the effect is acceptable? Leave a message in the comment area and tell me. On the right, you can go to debugging. I like the color red. You can choose from here. These parameters can be adjusted. It's better to give the white one. You can adjust it now. This range of beating.
The resilience and strength of women in the face of adversity. Frankie McGrath, a 20-year-old nursing student from Southern California, undergoes a profound transformation.
You can be here. Found a music library. These music can give some more easygoing pure music. Download. This will make your video look less monotonous. You can cut off the excess part. So making this video is very simple. There are many kinds of music dynamics here. Try a few more to try the effect. This musical dynamic. There are relatively few parameters to adjust. This white line music dynamic. There are more parameters that can be adjusted. You can also adjust its color.
And harrowing battlefield scenes evoke a sense of urgency and dread, highlighting the harsh realities of combat.
If it's too big, I'll make it smaller.
Through Frankie's eyes, we witness the...
You can still be in front of him. Adding a title will make it more professional. You can view this text by clicking here. There are many title options here. Add him to the front. I changed it to the title of the book. Let's take a look at its effect.
The Women Asha novel Afe
Preview.
Tale of Courage, Sacrifice, and Resilience. In The Women, a novel author insert author's name crafts a compelling narrative that transcends time, immersing readers in the tumultuous era of the Vietnam War through the eyes of a courageous young woman.
When the video is ready, there is an upload button here in the upper right corner. Upload the video. When uploading, you should pay attention to filling in the tag field. The tab bar can be accessed via a tool. Just click to enter the official website. Just come to the AI toolbox. Find this tool by TubeBuddy. To install this tool, you can see it here in the upper right corner. Install the TubeBuddy tool plugin in the upper right corner. Click to open. You can install. I have already installed it. After installation, the upper right corner of YouTube, a button like this will appear. Find Keyword Tool. Click to open keyword search. I used the name of the book just now. Copy and paste it into the search box, because I am promoting this book. So just copy this keyword in. Used to search for more keywords. You can click on the card to see some related search keywords. These are keywords with high search volume. It can be seen through the label. For example, the second keyword. You can see that the search volume is that the keyword has a search volume of 350,000. There are many of these keywords on the right. They are all suitable for use when promoting. Click to select these keywords. Click here to confirm options. Just choose to copy these keyword tags. Put the keywords of this tag. Paste into the tag bar below your video. These keywords. It also directly affects the number of views of the video. Just like this video, he put this sentence in the description column. You can see he added an Amazon promotion link. You can get this link. Where can I find this link? That is, after registering as an Amazon affiliate. You can search for the product you want here. After you open it, you will find a text link in the upper left corner. That is the link to this product. Just go and copy this link. Just paste it into the description field of your video like he did. Interested netizens clicked your link. He will enter this page. Then he will subscribe for a 30-day free trial. You can get a one-time advertising commission of $5 because it is a 30-day free subscription trial service. That is to say, many people are willing to subscribe for free to read this book. The transaction rate is also very high. You can see that there are more than 80,000 reviews here. Therefore, the turnover will definitely not be less. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.